Hey guys, this is R. Matthews. I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to steam my N95 mask. In my last video, I was washing it with some soap and disinfectant. But I had a lot of viewers write in and ask me to steam it because that's a better way of cleaning it. So I want to take a try and let's make this video happen. Thanks guys for watching. Okay, here I have it, a pot with some water, waiting for it to get boiled, and then I'm gonna drop in this steamer catch, I think. Let it boil and place my mask in there. Cook it like a tamale or whatever you cook like this. Right, it's been steaming for a minute. Take it out. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just hang it up and let it dry.